Today I'm showing you how you can turn PDFs into quizzes. So the example we have here is this Introduction to Molecular Biology handbook, and we want to generate a pop quiz from that automatically, which we can fill out. So that's the whole point. We don't want just to get a couple of questions based on the content. We want a web form that we can fill out and even track submissions and automatically assigns scores to them. So we're going to be using a tool called Weebly.ai, which is an AI native form builder. Just go on ahead and press the Start for Free button, and you're greeted with this interface, which is essentially a chat here on the left where you can attach files and leave a prompt, and then the form or the quiz that you're building here in the middle. So in our example, we're going to select the PDF with the actual content, and then we're going to leave it a prompt instructing it what to do. So build me a quiz with 5 questions, make them multiple choice, for example. And what it's going to do is it's going to analyze the PDF, and then it's going to take all of that content and create us the 5 questions in multiple choice. It's also going to determine what the right answer is to those multiple choices, again, based on that on the PDF. So we basically don't have to do anything. So here we go. We have our 5 questions. They're radio buttons, right? So they're multiple choice, or there's actually single choice. So we could change them to be multiple choices, depending on whether it makes sense or not for your specific case. And then if we go and look into the settings of our quiz, we can see that it automatically assigned the same score to every question. So we can tweak that if we want, if particular questions are more important than others. And it automatically also selected which are the right answers. So once we have our quiz here, we can further tweak it. So we could, for example, change the design of our quiz. We could have data be sent to Google Sheets, for example, or we could further tweak it by, for example, adding the score of our quiz or the respondent to the actual quiz. So let's say that at the end of the screen, you want to show the person that answered it whether they got it right and how much they got it right. You can simply type in your score, and then using the @ symbol, you can select one of the variables from within your quiz. So for example, the correct answers over the total quiz question. So you got that many questions right out of all of the questions that were asked in the quiz. So once you're ready with fine-tuning your quiz, you can go ahead and hit the publish button. And what you get is a URL which you can share with people that need to take the quiz. So if we take it ourselves, let's see. So I'll probably get a lot of these wrong because it's been a while since I've done molecular biology, but let's just click at some of those at random and hope I at least get 1 out of 5. And so we press submit. You see the amount of questions I got right over the total amount of questions. We could have done the same with the actual scoring, but given that all of the questions have a score of 1, would have been the same result. So that's basically how you generate a quiz from a PDF using Weebly.ai. If you're interested in this kind of content, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel.